Kid Martin 95 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, guys, we have a technical analysis on EOS here. We're going to be looking at the BTC value this time. We're up about 7%, sitting at 107,654 Satoshis. But really quick though, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap sitting at 324 billion. Today's volume is just below 19 billion, sitting at 18.9. Bitcoin dominant sitting at 41.4. Bitcoin down almost 2% for the day, folks, sitting just below 8,000. We could still hold at this level. We're going to have to wait and see what the daily is showing us. Ethereum down almost 1%. Ripple down slightly. Bitcoin Cash down 0.12. Litecoin finally started to move a little bit. I knew this was going to happen. I was waiting for Bitcoin to fall, and then Litecoin, I feel like it's just going to move back and forth a little bit. But Litecoin just seems to be a lot more stable for some reason. EOS up about 5%, sitting at $8.51. Cardano down 1. Lumen's up almost 7.5. Big winners today: Delta Coin up 27, Smart Cash up 20, Populous up almost 14, and 0x up 12, almost 13. We're the big losers today. Verge, they announced their partnership with Pornhub. That's crazy. And since then, it's kind of been falling. Down 24%. Elastos down 6, OneChain down 5, Omisigo down 5, Electroneum down almost 5 as well, and Binance down 4. You folks came here for some EOS. Market cap sitting at 6.8 billion. Today's volume is 791 million. Circulating supply here is 799 million. Total supply 900 million, and the max supply is 1 billion. Major exchanges: Bithumb, Huobi, OKEX, Bitfinex, IDAX, Kraken, Hit BTC, and Gate looks like are the major exchanges there. But let's go ahead and look at some price action. That's what you folks came here for. So Bitcoin failed to break above 8,350. I was waiting for us to break and close above this level so I could take another position. However, we failed to do that. So this is what I'm kind of looking at the daily right now. This is our kind of our minor support. We could come, hold at this level. However, I don't think it's going to happen. And then if we go ahead and switch over to the 4-hour, this was this channel that we were kind of in. However, we had a pretty, huge break towards the upside. So what am I expecting? I'm actually expecting Bitcoin to come down. If we don't hold at this level, I'm actually expecting this to come back down to about 7,500 to 7,700 zone and bounce off this and then continuing our uptrend. Or, however, I should say, if we do not hold at this level, I'm actually expecting us to fall all the way down to about 7, which would be the original breakout price. So we'd fall down to about 7,000, and then from here we would bounce and head towards the upside. So we have two possible scenarios here, guys. Could be seeing a drop towards about 7 and then shooting towards the upside. Actually, there's like 3 scenarios that I'm looking at. Or we could just come down to this level and then bounce towards the upside. Or the scarier one that I really actually don't want to happen anymore because I'm kind of over this bear market is we don't hold at this level or this level and we actually come down to about 5,000. My major psychological support, I think, is what's going to happen. But these are kind of the 3 scenarios that I'm looking out for. Don't do anything yet. I just wait for a daily confirmation before you decide to take any trades. But remember, guys, it's just my personal opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. With Ethereum here, we're still waiting for that break and close above 530. Once we do get that break and close above 530, we should be good to go. However, we're kind of just following Bitcoin right now, just still waiting and trying to find support. We have a support here at about 475 to 478, and then another support down here at about 415. So let's wait and see, Actually, let me zoom out. You can tell momentum is definitely, still heading towards the downside. So just be patient. Don't add just yet. Wait for that break and close above the level. Litecoin is the only one, actually looking a little bullish here. We got, can't even see because the colors are almost the same. Stuck in this nice little consolidation zone. We actually broke out, and then we actually broke out of this, our descending little parallel channel. Since then, we've kind of just been consolidating above. I haven't actually taken any positions. I'm waiting for that break and close above 135, 133. Once we do get the break and close above this level, I will finally decide to add to my position. But crypto just kind of playing with everyone's emotions right now. Just wait for daily confirmation, guys, before you guys decide to take any trades. That's just the way I do it. Don't really listen to the smaller time frames. So EOS to BTC daily. Binance is the broker. TradingView is the platform. Market tends to repeat itself. So usually what happens is when price comes back to the exact same point it was at before, the market tends to act the same way. So what I was actually kind of expecting here from EOS was a drop from about, 12,000 Satoshis. So dang, I was way off then. I said 107. Why is that? What the heck? So this is 107,654. What am I? Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I was tripping. Whatever. Anyways, so I was actually expecting EOS to come down to this level and follow. This is where, we originally came out of this channel, came down. So I was expecting a bounce off this trend line. However, we did hold at this level, and it seems like we are holding pretty well. So I think what I'm going to be waiting for you guys is a break and close above 111.28. Once we do get the break and close above this level, I will decide to add to my EOS position. But let's go ahead and take a look at the 4-hour really quick, see what the 4-hour shows us. Any aggressive entries? Oh yeah, definitely, I think so. Looks like this is our uptrend. So yeah, break and close above this level, and I think it should be good to go. But other than that, I'm going to be patient. We still have some room towards the downside, and Bitcoin isn't looking too bullish, so who knows? Wait for the break and close above 110 or 111 to be safe. 111, 125. Wait for the break and close above that on the 4-hour. Once it does break and close above that level, folks, it should be good to go. Where do I see this coin going in 2018? That's a good question. Good question. I think EOS can easily be worth. Where's my little horizontal line? Right about here. 340, 350 is what I was trying to get. But I'm looking at 350 Satoshis, or I'm sorry, 30,000. I think CoinMarketCap is wrong. I don't know why. See, this is saying it's 107. You see this? Like, am I tripping? I'm not tripping, but I'm tripping. I think TradingView just doesn't show you all the numbers. Oh, I see what happened. TradingView isn't showing me that last zero. Okay, that makes sense. That's why I was tripping out. But anyways, I think this is going to come up to about 300,000 Satoshis. That's my target for 2018. Not expecting this to happen towards the end of 2018. But again, guys, just wait for that break and close above 11,000. Once we do get, or 111,000, I should say. Once we do get that break and close above 111,000, should be good to go. Other than that, we could be seeing a potential drop all the way down to about 7,000 Satoshis. So just kind of be patient. Other than that, thanks for your support, guys. Don't forget to resteam, upvote, comment down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed and you have post notifications turned on because I do post a video every single day. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.